Surprise, surprise, surprise. You never know what a lunatic's gonna do next. Well, y'all remember that damn 2-hour and 15-minute fishing video I put up? Well, if you'd have watched the whole thing, you'd have found a surprise in it. Somewhere close to the end, around maybe the 2-hour mark, I don't know, 1 hour. I'm not sure at what point in time in the video that I announced it, but I did announce that there was a secret password connected to the video. And that secret password was straw hat, because I was wearing a straw hat. Anyway, the first person I announced, the first person to send me a private message with the word straw hat was going to win a prize. Well, congratulations. You've won a straw hat. No, I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not giving away my straw hat. Actually, I'm giving you the piece of software that nobody won before. And I've had a couple of contests trying to give this software away, but nobody was able to win. But you've got it. It's all yours, and I hope you enjoy it. And Mad Skrills, I guess I don't know how you pronounce your name. Congratulations, and thanks for watching. And the rest of you guys, you never know what a lunatic's gonna do.
I hope y'all like this 3-hour fishing video.
If you've watched it this long, send me an instant message, and in the instant message, say straw hat. If you put straw hat in the instant message, then you win a prize. How about that? That way I'll know that you've watched it this far. Just type straw hat in an instant message to me.
I'll send you a prize.